Right, 5 tips to make your gaming PC faster with Phil the expert.
Okay, well, first tip I'm going to give you is make sure in your BIOS that you have the Intel XMP profile, or if you've got an AMD board, the AMD Expo profile turned on. This allows your memory to run at the correct speeds. A lot of times when you buy a computer from a store, it isn't set up properly, and this could actually reduce your frames per second if your memory's not obviously running fast enough. Second one is graphics card drivers, quite a common one, but you'd be surprised how many people have got drivers, a year or two old. Sometimes updating your graphics card drivers, especially on newer games, it will give you extra performance totally for free. Third one is turn off background tasks. Obviously, there's no need to have Chrome running on 20 different tabs in the background if you're playing a game. That will slow it down drastically. Chrome is a memory hog, and a lot of other browsers are as well. Also, close any other background tasks, even RGB software and stuff like that, what affects all the lights on your machine. Turn that off as well, because that can slow your games down. So next, if you're looking to upgrade your machine, or you're wanting to build a machine or something like that, again, forget about RGB and flashy lights. That costs you money. Go for the models without the flashing lights and spend then more money on your graphics card or processor. And again, a lot of times when you've got these RGB lights flashing all over your computer, they actually distract you from playing the game, if anything. And again, if you've got that RGB software running in the background, it will slow your machine down. Tip number 5, make sure you've got game mode turned on in Windows 11. You'd be surprised how many people don't have that turned on. It's under settings, gaming, and game mode. And if you turn that on, it will then stop background tasks and things that don't need to run in the background while you're playing games. I've got one little bonus for you. It's not really improve your gaming, but it will actually save you money. If you enable VSync on your games, okay, some people will or not like it, but that will limit your game running at the same speed as your monitor does, which means that your machine isn't working as hard, so it runs cooler, quieter, and uses a lot less power. How's that for you, Cormac?
Brilliant, Phil. You know your stuff, Phil, boy. You know it. That's great. Thank you very much. And actually, do you know what? We might start doing a couple more of these, more tips to get the PCs running faster. Look, Phil, thank you very much. And make sure you listen to Phil's podcast, Tech for Tech podcast. Thanks very much, Phil. Appreciate it.
Thanks again, Cormac.
Thanks.